Alright, I'm about to educate y'all asses on marijuana. If you don't like it, there's a fucking door right there. Get out. We don't need you here. Anyways, it's gonna be a very short one. But the reason why you can hit a cig fucking without coughing is because, well, first of all, fucking, there's very specific reasons and shit. But main reason is because, well, whenever you cough because of marijuana, it's not the plant matter that makes you cough. It's not the THC or the CBD that makes you cough. It's not the trichomes. It's not the terps. It's nothing in the marijuana itself. It's because it burns hotter than tobacco. That's why, well, kind of makes no sense because marijuana can just go out like that rather than a cigarette that'll just go fucking shit, man.